So we've wrapped up our shower that we replaced the old tile that was around. Again, I'm going to kind of, just like I did before, try to let the work speak a little bit for itself, I think. But everything stays nice and true. It's a 4x16 white tile with Permacolor Select Dusty Gray grout. Pattern stays nice, corners wrap nice. We used Dusty Gray 100% silicone around the tub here. You can see that the color, the silicone matches the grout color really well. Anyway, everything turned out pretty nice.
If you enjoyed this video, be sure to click the subscribe button. Remember to ring the bell to keep updated with our latest videos. Stick around and check out the next suggested video coming up after this clip. Thanks for watching.